I'm Josh, and this is my 3D printed cable organizer. I wanted a design that was simple to print and easy to assemble. The design needed to be intuitive to use, and I wanted some aesthetics to it too. To use, simply line up the slot, then center the cable and place into the slot. Hold the case and turn the base towards you. The arrows will help you with the direction. Continue to wind until you get both ends of the cable near the case. To remove the cable, just pull on both ends at the same time, and then you can remove the cable from the slot easily. This winder design works with various cable lengths and sizes. This quickly organizes and keeps your cables tangle-free. Each winder conveniently stacks on top of each other without any additional parts. There are even plus sizes available for longer cables. Designed and printed in 3 parts, this allows you to pick and choose your colors. Starting with the case, then a base, and a cap. The cap inserts through the case and threads onto the base. The 3D files come ready to print, already oriented in their position, and don't require any supports. I created 3 size options to start with: the 1x, the 1.5x, and the 2x, which heights are designed to align when stacking them in groups. If you end up downloading and printing this design, let me know in the comments below or on the download page on printables.com. I'll provide a link in the description to the files along with print recommendations. Thanks for watching.